Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a scene with cameras. Now pick one and make it the active view. Select the camera either in the 3D view or the outliner. Once selected, use Object right arrow set active camera or press Ctrl plus numpad 0 to assign it. This matters because the active camera defines what renders and what the viewport camera shows. After assigning, make sure the camera isn't hidden and that its transforms are correct, since Blender only accepts camera objects as active views. Now refine how that camera frames the scene. Move the 3D view to the exact perspective you want, then use View right arrow align camera to view or Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 so the camera matches. If you need interactive framing, enable Lock Camera to view in the right-hand end panel and tweak. For animated switches, add a timeline marker at the frame, select the camera, and use marker right arrow bind camera to markers, so Blender switches cameras automatically during playback. Finish by previewing from the camera. Press numpad 0 to jump to it, and render a test frame to confirm framing, depth of field, and exposure. If your camera doesn't become active, make sure it's a camera object, not hidden in a disabled collection, and that the scene properties camera points to it. Also check Preferences right arrow input if you rely on the number pad, enable Emulate numpad on laptops. That single check solves most switching problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.